And going back to that clip of the woman with her virtual child, if you took a look, you would have noticed that the face was a little off.
Oh yeah,
AI
yeah. The imaging for sure.
AI is changing that. If you go to a website like thispersondoesnotexist.com, you
Oh
will
yeah.
see you will see pictures of this is a person, and it's actually not.
Mhm.
So again, it's getting significantly better.
And that has to do also with, my guessing is the hardware too. Like that's coming through like an Apple headset. It's not, and that probably has a lot to do with the rendering of like your graphics and stuff.
No,
Am I
that
wrong?
the technology that they were using, I believe that was an HTC Vive,
Okay.
which is 5 years old, 4 or 5 year old technology now. So the Vision Pro would be light years ahead of that.
So I'd like to not. We're not ending just yet, but I don't want to end the night on a like on a dark note, going down this black pill tunnel. So I want to do that now, and then come out the other side, talk about some happy feelings.
Okay.
Okay. I just want to take a look at some videos here and some of the kind of the deep dark implications of AI in these applications. So I pulled up a few YouTube videos, and we'll just watch them, and then we'll talk about them. Sound good?
Okay.
Here is we talk about trades being
Boston Dynamics.
safe.
I forgot my tools again.
Okay, so the real question word is how long until this robot is doing his job?
Okay, and now this is actually something I've been looking at quite intently. I would say 5 or 10 years, and the reason that I'm going to say that is because any trades like that, sometimes you have to customize tools. Um, they're it's going to take some time before you could equip a robot like that with enough skills and experience to put a tradesperson
Hmm.
out of work. Could it happen? Yeah. That I
So go
don't know
ahead.
how old that video is, but
It says here this was posted in. It's not showing me when it was. Oh, here we go. 1 year ago. Posted a year ago.
okay, so it's at least a year old, probably older. How much further has Boston Dynamics come? We don't know.
Yeah, yeah. You talked when we talked about before, kind of the learning curve for AI. When you're using the analogy of 200 kilometers to go 200 kilometers, and it's going to crash or it's going to run out of gas, and it's going to have to restart every time. So I thought I'd share. I thought I'd share this here, this video, because it just shows that principle at play for the video we just watched. I love watching them fail.
Now, the interesting thing there is observe how the robot looked for ways to steady itself. What
Mm-hmm.
did it do? It
The same
flailed
thing
its
we do.
arms
Yeah.
about just like a person would. It
Yeah.
had now it had to learn that, and that's what I mean when you are training these things, because though that's where it becomes really amazing.